Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can ignore or skip the load case or load combination when you run the analysis. So as you can see, there is 26 load case here, including the load combination. So in order to save time, you can skip some of the load case that you don't need for right now, or for the steel design. For example, in ultimate limit state, you only need the ultimate load combination. So in this case, I'm going to skip the win load. So this is the load case number 4 and number 5. I'm going to have this 4 and 5, and then I'm going to change the I change the analysis tab and click on auxiliary and OK, and there is the word auxiliary next to the nonlinear static here. And next I'm going to skip the load 21 to 26, so I'm going to type 21 to 26 and do the same. So now everything here is going to be ignored when we run the analysis. Now I'm going to run the analysis by clicking on the calculations button here. You can look at the case here. As you can see, it runs from case 1 to 3 and then skip to number 6. And so now it's complete at the load case number 20. So the load case 21 to 26, the program will skip this load case. You can show the result also. I'm going to show only this column. I'm going to show the moment force. So this is for the safe weight, and this is dead load, live load. And now as you can see, for the win load number 4 and number 5, there's no result because the program skipped this load case. And also for the load combination for serviceability, it doesn't show any result. But when you show the ultimate limit state here, it shows the result like this. So this is how you can ignore or skip the load combination for saving time for when you design the structure. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.